Right, this is a quick unboxing video of a microphone I bought to go onto my iPhone 7. As I'm told, an external microphone improves the sound greatly. So, here we go, iPhone 7 microphone. Looks okay. That'll plug straight in to my phone. Well, I'll connect this up and you can tell me if the sound's any better than it was before. Right, that's with the lapel microphone clipped to my person. Nothing to unbox now. We've just got an empty packet from the lovely people at Amazon. But is the volume any better? Is the sound any better? Let me know. I thought we'd get a close-up of the microphone. Just have a little look, see what my money's bought. It's okay, £6. I don't know how long that'll last. It comes with a acoustic hood to stop the wind from howling into the microphone. Not entirely sure how long that's going to last either. That's sort of, I think, leave it on, don't take it off, and it's going to last maybe a few hours longer. But the clip doesn't look bad. It's quite strong, so that's not going to go anywhere. I'm sure the cable will snap if I was to walk away, more so than the clip. Anyhow, I'll put a link in the description just in case anybody wants to get one from Amazon. Certainly a good starter.